Satnam, it's Shakti. I trust you're doing well. Please comment, subscribe, it will help algorithm and it will help me to share the content that might be helpful for your mental, physical and spiritual balancing and healing. I don't know how is your day going. I had a very interesting day in a different culture, different country in Eastern Europe, and I've learned it's really beneficial when we are able to go inside and not to be reactive. Just a quick story. I was taking care of some documents and there was a big line early in the morning, and I was sensing and noticing a lot of individuals, people, human beings were really nervous, anxious. There was some a little bit anger, and my body was picking up that energy. And then I had a choice. I could either react and get entangled in this energy, or I can step back, connect to higher consciousness, breathe deeply, and send love, power love to all those beings, because at the end there's something going on for them. They are suffering. So I was really grateful for this experience, and what happened while I went inside, connected to my heart, and I was chanting powerful mantra Har Har Mukande, I noticed slowly each by one person started to quiet down and pause, and then was a silence which was really beautiful. And two things happened. I noticed some people really relaxed. I was not affected by the energy, and I was able to share love, unconditional love. We need love so much during these difficult times and suffering. So today I want to share with you also a beautiful Kriya that's called Magnificent Nine, that really balances and relaxes our nervous system, releases tension. I highly recommend to practice this Kriya towards the end of the day, after a stressful day, in a relationship, your work, or wherever you might be. As usual, please listen to your body. You are welcome to always pause and imagine yourself you're doing it. So let's begin. Hands in Gya Mudra, sit a little bit taller. Close the eyes and let's begin inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Preparing for our practice, for our healing, connecting to our higher consciousness and mystical energies. And let's bring our palms together in a prayer mudra and we will tune in. So let's inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Let's inhale. Please suspend the breath, press the palms firmly and apply gentle root lock. And exhale. And release. And please come lying on your back. And we'll begin cat stretch. So you're gonna bring the right knee to your chest, crisscross it to the opposite side, and look at the other arm. Long, deep breaths. Sound of an inhale is sat. Sound of exhale nam. Or any favorite mantra of yours. For deeper stretch, you can push the right knee closer to the ground. And please come to the center and we're going to reverse. So right, opposite knee and crisscross the opposite side. Long, deep breaths. Please come to the center, extend both legs straight. Bring palms together, touching. Bring them close to your face and place them on your face. Close the eyes. And now slowly bring the hands just 2 to 3 inches apart. And look at your palms. Long deep breaths. And now begin massaging in a circle movement, starting top of the forehead and going down the side towards the chin, and just massaging your face. Now begin massaging your ears with your thumb and the index finger. Really get into massaging your ears. And slowly relax. Now we're gonna go into stretch pose. So feet together, arms apart your side. Lift your upper body and legs around 4 to 6 inches above the ground. Look at your toes and let's begin breath for fire. You can always rest, almost there. A little bit longer. Inhale, hold the breath, navel in. And exhale, relax. And find your way onto the belly. Feet are together, hands are by your chest. Inhale, lift yourself into cobra or sphinx. So come on the elbows, close the eyes, and let's begin breath for fire. Push with your hands, continue. Relax your jaw and your shoulders. Inhale, hold the breath. And exhale, come to the tabletop. One of my favorite, cat and cow. Inhale, arch the neck, drop the belly down, and exhale, push into cat. And continue inhaling and exhaling. And gonna be here for a while, so let's continue. Separate your fingers. You can go on the tip of the toes. Focus on your breath and an eye gaze into your third eye, Ajna chakra. Beautiful. See if you can speed up a little bit more. Deepen the breath even more. And see for the last 30 seconds if you can go really rapidly. Focus on your breath. And inhale, drop the belly down, arch the neck, suspend the breath, apply root lock. Exhale, push into cat, suspend the breath. And exhale, come to tabletop. Please find your way to sit and extend the legs in front of you. Grab the big toes in your finger lock, or wherever it's possible. Inhale, lengthen the spine up, straight. Exhale, bend the chest towards the thighs and nose towards the knees. Avoid leading with the head, and we will continue this movement for 1 minute or so. You can bend the knees gently for deeper stretch. Beautiful. Check your alignment. Inhale, strengthen the spine, apply root lock and hold the breath. And exhale. Inhale, suspend the breath, root lock. And exhale, relax. Please come sit on the heels in the rat pose. Hands are flat on your thighs. And you can do long deep breaths or breath of fire. Remember, if you're in a moon cycle, please do long deep breathing. Close the eyes, focus into your third eye, and let's continue. Please inhale. Suspend the breath. And exhale. Now, gonna go into fish pose. Where full position is, you spread the knees, your buttocks is between your heels, and you lay down on the back. Today, my body is not allowing me to do that, so I'm gonna show you modification. I'm gonna bring the feet together in a butterfly pose. And you're gonna lay down on the back, palms up, long deep breaths. So find a jellyfish pose and totally, deeply relax. Raise your legs up because of the support on the floor. And now slowly bend the knees, gently come out of a pose, come sit in easy pose, hands in prayer mudra. Notice any shifts inside you. Notice how your body feels. Feel it, notice it. Satnam. Thank you for joining, thank you for practicing, and may you be free from suffering, and all beings will find the way to peace and love. Satnam. See you soon.